Hey guys, welcome to my channel Speak English with Arpita. So guys, today in this video I will be talking about how to get motivation, okay, from the demotivation. Okay, it's the best thing. I believe you don't need anyone who would be giving you motivation, who would be nice. Don't expect anyone to be nice with you, because this trick, if you apply guys, then it would be best for you in every field, not only in English. Whatever you do anything, then from those demotivations you would be getting motivation. So how, if you want to know, then make sure you watch the video till the end. Okay, alright. So I want to tell about my experience. It's not about English actually, it's about something else, how I got motivation. I believe that you should not be expecting anything from anyone. Okay, don't expect that your friend, that anyone would be behaving nice with you, and that person would be very much nice, and that person would be giving you some good suggestions. Don't expect guys, because like season change, people also changes. Okay, if you just start believing on someone, if you start expecting too much, then that actually hurts. Your expectation only hurts. So coming to the English, when somebody is laughing at your English, whether it's a friend, whether it's a stranger also, first of all, if it's a stranger, then no need to laugh at it. Okay, because for that person also, you are also stranger, and vice versa, both are strangers for each other. So hardly that person would be remembering you for 2 minutes or 3 minutes, then that person won't be remembering you. Okay, because you both are strangers, so don't need to think that person would be remembering me for the whole lifetime and it's a very much insult. No, nobody actually thinks about anything. Suppose if someone is laughing at you today, that is only for that particular incident. It's not that for permanent, for whole life. It's not like that guys, because I didn't laugh at someone, but I want to say that if I were at that place, then I wouldn't have remembering that person for lifetime. So I am talking about myself by taking that person into it, like I am changing the position. Okay, instead of that person, if I were that place, then what I would have done. So I am talking about that. So I don't think that I would have been remembering for like hardly two days. Maybe I would remember, not 2 days also, for some time. So don't think that person would be remembering me for so long time and it's an insult. No, big no. Nobody remembers like that. Then now, how to get motivation from demotivation? Okay, when someone is laughing at you, just think, OMG, that you have done something. It's good, because nowadays people hardly laughs. Consider that you are an entertainer. Okay, you are an entertainer and you are entertaining that person. Nowadays, I don't know whether you have seen or not, vines are like that. People are making fun of themselves, and like that they're enjoying it. For example, there are many YouTubers who are making fun of themselves and people are laughing at them. So they are entertainers. So consider yourself like that only, right? That you are also an entertainer, and as if you are making a YouTube video and people are laughing at you and they are your audience. Think like that. It's simple. Okay, I don't know, at first it is quite difficult, but if you just change the mindset, I have already said before that it's all dependent in your mindset. If you just start thinking, start believing that only, then things would gonna walk like this. Okay, think, consider yourself as an entertainer. Second, when someone is laughing, take that motivation. Think that I would be doing this one day. Instead of demotivating, instead of that demotivating yourself, instead of sitting at the corner of your room, go more out. Okay, face the fear more and more, and make a challenge that that person laughed at me. Maybe not that person, maybe another person would be laughing at me, but that chance I won't be giving that person. I would be so fluent that everyone would come to me and would ask about my secret of my fluency. This kind of motivation take. Okay, when someone is laughing at you. These two things, if you apply, then trust me, you can be successful in any field, and you would be getting motivation from demotivation, whether it's English, whether it's job, anything. I want to say, whether if you're learning something new, if you're doing something unique than others, then people would automatically come. Okay, I want to share my own experience. It's not about English, but I want to say something. I don't know you know or not that I am learning guitar. Okay, I'm learning guitar, and I love singing, though I'm not a trained singer, but I love to play guitar. And whatever I've learned so far, like I sometimes post, okay, upload it on my WhatsApp status, and sometimes on my Instagram. So like some of my haters, okay, they are known people. Often it is known as that known people are known to be as haters who knows you already. So some people, not two or three, remarked me that make laugh at me, and I don't care at all. They thought that my main purpose, that I, after listening that criticism, then I would be stopping. No, it's not like that, dude. I won't stop. Actually, I got the motivation. Instead of stopping, next day I uploaded 2 more videos on my status. And they came that again you're uploading, you don't have any shame. And I said that you don't have any shame, that still you're coming and commenting, that you're giving so much importance to me, dude. That's wonderful. I'm grateful actually. So what you learned from this? Okay, when someone is laughing at you, when someone is stopping you to do something, do that more and more. Apply this as English. When someone is laughing at your English, when someone is trying to stop you, I have already said to my students that whenever you get free time, at your home, at anywhere with friends, just speak in English. Don't care about your friends. You just do it. They are speaking in Bengali, that's their loss. You improve and you establish in your life. Okay, do it. Because English is the only medium, and qualification as well. This is the most important thing, that which you can be successful in life. So don't need to think about this, who are laughing, who are criticizing. Just don't care, dude. I always tell this. Okay. So I am telling this to you also, that whenever someone is telling Zada Angrez mat ban, Ingreji beshi jharish na, it's a Bengali word, okay? Ignore it. Do it more. They are actually jealous. You are speaking English better than them. That's the reason they are saying. Because it's a weak point. They are saying that Jada English is Harishna, Jada Angrez mat ban. That's the reason. Okay, if someone is good at English, that person won't be saying this. That person is not good at English. That's the reason that person is jealous of you, because you are improving English. Understand this always. And always take criticism positively and take motivation from it. I always do it. And I don't demotivate myself. I am always a positive person. So I also want to spread this positivity to you also, because I know nowadays people are very much spreading negativity. So do this, guys. I think it would be helpful. I gave my own experience also. I think it's gonna help you also. Alright, guys. So don't be sad and don't be demotivated. Just do whatever you feel like and speak English always. Don't care who is looking at you, who is laughing at you. It's your life. इतना चिंता करने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है. Okay, no need to worry about it. Start doing it, and I know you would be doing. Okay. Alright, guys. So that's all from my side. I hope you like this video, and thanks for watching. Okay. Bye.